Hey everybody, Deb Tomaro Realtor here with a new listing. Did anyone else overdress today? I overdressed. I don't know why I thought it was November, but it's not, it's June. So anyways, it's not June. I'm joking. It's March. I don't know, but it feels like June. Anyways, 6354 E Cox Drive is where I am. It is out past the Danny Smith Park, if you know where that is, up towards Unionville. Not as far as Unionville. More like New Unionville. This is your geography lesson for this part of the county. You are 10 minutes from Target, out 10th Street. So great location to the hospital, to IU, to all the East Side stuff, and a great price on a home. As we all know, the East Side is a little bit pricier, probably because of the convenience factor. So this home is really, really well priced. So let me take you for a tour. This is a super classic ranch home on a half an acre, backing up to a bunch of trees on a very quiet street. There's not a ton of houses. It kind of dead ends down here. This is technically called Danny Smith, and then there's a Danny Smith 2. And I'm gonna go do a deep dig and try and figure out who the heck Danny Smith is. I know someone out there knows who he is because he's somebody, since he's got a park named after him and a couple neighborhoods. No homeowner association or anything like that out here. You do have good high-speed internet, Duke, Vectron, or Center Point, whatever it's called now. So you've got all of that. This is a ranch home, but it has a special surprise in the back. It actually has a walk-in crawl space, and I'm going to show that to you. So we'll go inside first. Okay, here we are standing at the front door. Forgive the lawn chairs, they're still doing some cleanup work, and you gotta have a place to sit and rest. But this is a nice sized room. It's about 19 feet long, so very spacious. Original hardwood floors in this room and in the bedrooms. And the windows have been replaced. Nice big window there. So down this hallway are the bedrooms and a full bath. This is the dining room area, and then the kitchen. I like this little extra countertop space here. This, I don't know if you can see this very well. So you have a nice view out the back with yard and then trees. So if you can imagine with the leaves on, you won't be able to see anybody, but there isn't anybody terribly, terribly close. Cool new light fixture they put in. All the appliances are included as well. And then this passes through to a laundry area, and there's another half bath right here. But keep going, because this is really cool. This is another family room space with some built-ins. So 2 living spaces at this price point is pretty unusual, and it's nice to have. Either a place to put toys, or if you don't want to watch the same thing that the other person's watching, or you need a nice home office space or something like that, this could work for that. This is to the 2-car garage. That's kind of full of stuff right now. And then this goes out to the sunroom. Let me see if that is. Here we go. Obviously, we'll use this as some workout space. All these windows. And they all open so you can get nice cross breezes. There is a ceiling fan in here as well. Just a really lovely extra space. They said they love to Sunday mornings drink their coffee and watch the birds, because apparently there are crazy, crazy numbers of birds out here, and some wild turkeys and things like that too. And we're gonna go back out here later because I want to show you, I don't know if you can see that. Right here, there's a door, and this goes to the crawl space, which is almost like a basement, but it's a crawl space. But I'll show you the rest of the inside first. Okay, so 3 bedrooms. This is probably the smallest, and then these 2 are the largest. So we'll go here first. Beautiful hardwood again. This is the second one, which I should have opened a curtain in, but again, they're still moving. And then And this one, I say it's the smallest, but it's still like 10.5 by 10.5, so decent size. Some of these smaller ranch homes, you end up with a 9 by 9 bedroom. That's not the case here. Linen closet, and then a beautifully updated bathroom, the double vanity, really pretty tile floor, walk-in shower, nice big oversized walk-in shower. And there's a linen closet back there. So there's a hall closet there and a linen closet here. Okay. All right, let me take you out back. I will meet you there. Okay, so I came down these stairs off the sunroom up there. There's a shed right here. And this is the backyard. And if I turn around, this is the quote unquote crawl space. It's probably over 6 feet. It's probably 6.5 in some places. And this has all recently been checked out. They've got a raised wooden platform over here with a workshop. Everything's covered with a vapor barrier. And then if I come over here, let me check the light situation. And there's a sump pump right there. And I will tell you, we had a ton of rain on, what was it, Friday? Today is Monday. We had a ton of rain on Friday, and this place is dry. I'm trying to find this light switch, though. Don't mind me. I'm not 100% where it is, but know where it is, but there's a light over there. So this is all shelving for storage. Nice area there. Sorry about that light. I should have thought ahead, but you know me. I never think ahead when it comes to turning lights on and off. So this is just a really cool bonus space. Very good storage in this house. Kind of unexpected, so I wanted to make sure I showed it to you. But to me, this is the real star of the show. Those beautiful woods and a gorgeous neighborhood.